Hi, this is Miss Cheatwood. I'm your child's seventh grade math teacher over here at Horsegood Middle School. These are a few ways that you can contact me throughout the school year and for any questions or concerns. We use the Remind app, which will send out reminders from us or any information we have. It's just your child's class period and then my last name to join the class if you're not already in it. My email address, which is just our school email, and then feel free to text me if you have any questions or concerns. Our classroom responsibilities are kind of broken down into bell work and participation during class time, math notes that we do during class, and if they're absent, they can do those and get those off Google Classroom, homework assignments, and our quizzes and assessments. Google Classroom is the platform that we use for all of our math documents. That is where they'll find weekly topics and the homework that needs to be submitted every Friday. If your child is absent from school for any reason, you can use the While You Were Absent link on their school iPad, and it can go through to find my name and see all of the requirements from that day. Missing and late assignments. Now, this is not the same as if a child is out or absent, but if a child is in school and the assignment is not turned in on that day, they have 5 days to get it turned in. After that time, it will no longer be accepted. And students that have more than 5 late assignments, you guys will be contacted and discuss how we can fix that situation. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you so much. Looking forward to a great year.